matibay and very reliable. So, please come and visit us in our booth, and I hope that you can come and visit us in our location in the Cudao Avenue. We also have our Facebook account, our FB page, Taishan Auto Center Limited. So I hope you can check us out. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
The 1,006, the SRP price is 780,000, marked down to 678.
IG Ceramic Pro Davao.
Yun, again, thank you very much, Miss Judy.
Thank you so much.
Ating pong manager ng Ceramic Pro Davao sa kanyang pong product information regarding po sa kanilang pong products. And gentlemen, ito po yung outcome kung kayo po ay magpapaceramic pro sa kanilang pong company. Again, hindi po sila exclusive only for superbikes and supercars. Ating pong palagpakan ang ating pong Prime Lubricants Girls. Yun po ang mga products natin again. And maaari din po kayo mag-inquire sa kanila pong booth for more information.